Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is vonniegeez here, and today I'm bringing you guys this really cool nail set. These icicle nails. They're so cute. I love these, and surprisingly this technique is super simple. I found a tutorial by a nail YouTuber by the name of Naomi's Nails. I believe that's her name, and I will link her channel down below so that you guys can check out her video. So basically what I'm doing is I'm taking this polygel. This is I think it's called Blue Slate, I believe, from Makartt. It came in one of their sets, and I'm putting it under the nail, and I'm putting saran wrap over top of that. So I take the saran wrap and I put over top of that, and I take these small scissors. These usually come in a set where you get, a manicure set. And I'm just scrunching up the polygel with the saran wrap. So there's no crazy technique or crazy way you should scrunch it. I say just put the scissors down and pull the polygel forward, and just keep doing that all up and down the nail. This part I didn't speed it up as much because I wanted you guys to really see what I was doing. And it's super simple. It's not hard. I thought doing this would be way more complex and difficult. I found a lot of tutorials doing this with acrylic, and people will use nail forms and put aluminum foil on the nail forms, and that technique looks really cool. But as you guys know, I don't use acrylic as of yet. I got my introduction to nails with gel, builder gel, and polygel. But I definitely want to get into using acrylic. I'm going to get me some acrylic and start doing some acrylic sets. But I really enjoyed doing this video. I love these nails. I'm sad that I'm going to have to take these off soon. But that's just the life of being a nail vlogger and creating these videos. You make really nice sets, and you're gonna have to take them off because you have to create more content. So yeah, I'm trying to say as much. Oh my gosh. But yes, that's pretty much what I did. If there's anything else that I need to explain, I'll probably come back. But that is the majority of what I did. I didn't speed it up too much. I'll speed it up when it gets later in the video. I left the filing in so you guys can see how I filed it. At first I did do some of the nails matte. I think I did my middle finger and my pinky finger matte, but I ended up putting shiny top coat on top instead of the matte because I actually didn't like it. I think the shiny looks better. I've seen people do matte and it looks nice, but it just didn't look right with this set. The filing was hard for me because I would suggest that you don't put a lot of this under your nail. And when I watched Naomi's video, she also said that doing this under your nail, all these ridges and divots and all that stuff can cause more debris and dirt to get under your nail. So these probably aren't as practical doing it this way. I'm pretty sure there are other ways that you can do this. I've seen people do it on top of their nails. I'm pretty sure I could have done this on top of my nails instead of under, but I feel like doing it this way allows for you to play more with what you do on top. So for some of the nails, as you can see on my middle nail, I mixed clear polygel and the jelly blue polygel, and that gave a really nice icy look. That is really what I was going for, and I feel like I pulled off this set really nice. I think I pulled it off. Yeah, so if you enjoy this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because I really want to grow this channel. I'm posting on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. If you guys want to catch up on my latest videos, I did some hand painted nail art. I did the big comfy couch, and I did those really cool tech nails where I put actual cell phone parts on my nails and I encapsulated them. So if you want to see those 2 nail videos, they'll be linked up in the cards. And thank you guys so much for watching. Just enjoy the rest of the video, and I hope this taught you something. But thank you so much. There are so many other videos on how to do this, so if it still seems difficult, I'll have a bunch of videos linked down below, because I am not the creator of this, style, this technique, but there are so many great people who have done videos on this. I'm just another one. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Love you so much. Peace out.